How to fix notes on Instagram not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of One to Step. Notes are a feature that has been released on Instagram a couple of months ago. So you can see the notes feature on Instagram on your message section on the top right. Now the notes feature might not show up if your account is set to a creator or a business account. If that is the case, you can try switching back to a personal account, and within a few hours you will have the notes option showing up. So to switch back, you can tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings, tap on accounts, and if you scroll down you'll see an option of switch to personal account. You can just tap on it and switch it back. If that is not the case with you and you don't have the notes option yet, then I suggest that you can report this issue to Instagram. To do that, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then tap on settings. From the settings page, tap on help and report a problem. Tap on don't include and continue. Now through this section, this default screenshot will be added. You can remove this, and if you want, you can also include in the screenshot of the section where the notes option should be showing up. So you can take a screenshot, tap on upload, and upload the screenshot that you just took. Now in this section, you need to type in the detailed explanation of the exact issue that you're facing. So you can type in your own explanation, or you can type in something like this and then hit send on the top right. Now once you submit this report, you need to wait out a couple of days and you should have the notes option pretty much showing up. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.